Oh my gosh. Oh! Should we open it? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be unboxing 2 of Lunar Beauty's mystery boxes. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So here's the boxes. They're right here. There is one more box, a bigger one, but that one was sold out. So I wasn't able to get my hands on it, but I do have the smallest one and the middle size one, whatever you want to call them. I think the middle one is called the Venus box, but I'm not sure. I will have the prices of everything down below and all the information on these. I do think these boxes are sold out, but I'm not sure. But I will link the Lunar Beauty website down below, and I will also link Manny MUA's YouTube channel down below, because if you guys don't know who he is, which I'm sure you guys do, but if you don't, it'll be linked down below so you guys can go and check him out. Before we get into these boxes, I have to address one thing very fast. A subscriber got a hold of me on Instagram and they informed me that there was a fake account that someone made with my YouTube picture as the profile picture, and I think it was the same name and everything, and they were going and commenting or replying back to people's comments on the video, the Valentine's Day giveaway one. I'm trying to handle that. I don't know what to do. It's weird. I don't know why anyone would even, how people would have the time to do stuff like that. But anyways, if you win one of my giveaways, I respond back to your comment, and then I always pin your comment. So your comment will be pinned at the very top, so then everyone knows like that contest is over and that someone won it. So keep that in mind. And again, I apologize to everyone that was affected by this rude person. Okay, so let's jump into unboxing these mystery boxes. So let's go with the small box here. This is what it looks like in the inside. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is you get 1 face brush and 3 eye brushes. Oh, this is a dual-ended face brush. Oh, hey. Oh, this is gonna be nice. It feels like it's really nice quality. And then we got 3 eye brushes here. So we got number 1, number 5, and number 7. This is a blending brush, and then you got like more of like a packing brush here, and then you have like a small tiny definer packing brush moment there. So you got these, I'm dropping them. So I got all 4 of these brushes. Next, I got this liquid lipstick in the shade Perfection. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh yeah, okay, so this is like a pinky nude shade. I love the color. Oh my gosh. You guys, this smells like a cookie. This smells so good. I love it. Let's swatch it. Oh, and that is so nice and creamy. Look at that. That is nice, you guys. From the look of it, it doesn't look like it's gonna dry out your lips at all. So I'm excited. And look at the packaging here. This packaging is, it looks very simple, like it's like a nice simple looking one, but when you look, sorry, that was my phone, but when you look at it a little bit closer, it's not. There's so many details to it. I love it. I love it. The next thing that I got in here is a lip gloss. This is in the shade Mystery. Looks like there's some gold glitter. Oh, you guys, this smells just like the liquid lip. It smells like a cupcake, but a really good cupcake. Like a cupcake they don't have here where I live. This is what it looks like. On camera, it's coming off kind of nude, but there's definitely some gold and pink shimmer in there. Awesome. And then the last thing that we got in this box is this, the Moon Spell Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. I don't have any of his palettes. Oh, it's like a book. I'm keeping that. Usually I don't keep the packaging, but I'm keeping it. Oh, you guys, look at this. This is so cool. Oh, look at that. A bunch of purples. I think that this would be really cool to use in around Halloween time, but I do like purple, pink and purple. So when I go for a colored look, I like to go with like the pinks, but sometimes pink can make me look like I've been crying too much, so that's why I like to go with purple. So I'm excited about this. This is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, box 1 done. Let's go into box 2. And the box 2, this one has a sticker and it says the Venus mystery box. So I think that's what this one's called. This is what it looks like in there. And what do we got? Okay, so I got 2 face brushes and 4 eyeshadow brushes. So this is number 4, 2, 6, and 3. So I think that this is the whole collection, right? Possibly. And then I got another dual-ended brush, just like this one right here. And then I got this big bad boy. This is the face brush number 1. Look at this, you guys. Oh, I like the handle. I love like the colors, how it goes from white and then a gray to like black. I love it. Love it. The next thing that I got here is LUNAR Beauty. This is a multi-purpose beauty sponge. What does it say? It says liquid plus powder, so you could use liquid or powder on it. I have been loving the beauty sponges. I've actually been using the beauty blender lately. I fell in love with it because of the point on it. I used to use this back in the day, and then I started using other beauty sponges, but then I went back to this one for, I think I had one in my collection, so I started using it. This one's disgusting, but I realized that I really like the tip on it. And when you look at this one, it also has like a nice tip on it. So that's exciting. I got 2, my dogs want to bark right now while I'm trying to do this video. I got 2 more lip glosses. I got one again in the shade Mystery and the other one in the shade Divine. Oh, so this is a pink gloss with some shimmer in it. You know me, I'm gonna smell all of them. This one smells really good too. So this is what it looks like here. It's a pink gloss, but a very sheer pink gloss with some, it looks like some gold sparkles in it, or maybe silver. It's hard to see because of the lights, but I think out of both of these, I'm gonna like the pinker one more. And then the next thing that I have here is some LUNAR Beauty eyelashes. So let's see what they look like. Should we open it? Oh, look at them. These are beautiful. I have recently been wearing eyelashes more and more, and I can actually put them on. This one kind of gave me a little bit of a problem. I cut it a little too short, so if it looks weird, it is. But I'm learning. Okay, so no judging, because I'm learning as we go. I'm not gonna lie. I did a TikTok on all of, like, unboxing all of these. I did not unbox the actual products. I just showed what I got into on that TikTok video. So I know that I got this, and I was so excited. This is one of his highlighters. You guys. I'm so excited. I feel like I watched somebody else's video on mystery boxes, and this was way too dark, so I'm assuming it's probably gonna be kind of too dark for me. But this is in the shade Jupiter. You guys, the packaging is amazing. It's just amazing. And this is what it this is what it looks like. Now this would be way too dark for me to use as a highlighter. Wait, hold on. It would be way too dark for me to use as a highlighter, but I could use this as an eyeshadow, or I could use this for Halloween time. So I'm excited. Really excited about that. Okay, so we got another thing here. First, let's talk about the tissue paper. It has LB on it, and it kind of looks like, I kept thinking it was a heart, and it's not. It's LB for Lunar Beauty. I love it. I love it. And I love it. The next thing that I got here is a blush palette. I have been wanting this. People have been talking about this forever. Now, I'm not sure if this is I'm not sure if there's like other shades or if there's just one. I know, what is that? Laura Lee, Los Angeles. She also has one that I want to get my hands on. But you guys, look at this. The top is raised a little bit. Oh, oh, oh yes, 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 yes. I love them. I flippin' love them. I can use all of these shades, maybe not this one, but the rest of them, like these are my shades. They're like baby pink, a little bit of peach in there. Freaking amazing. I'm excited. You guys, these are incredible. I am in love with this. Oh, and this one has like a little bit of shimmer in it, but this is what some of the shades look like. I'm not good with swatches, so just keep that in mind. I'm not good with swatches, but this is amazing. If you don't have this, I haven't even tried it yet, but I would just go pick it up because these shades just, you know, they're amazing. The last thing that I got in here looks like this. And what is it? Ah! It's another eyeshadow palette. I don't have any of his palettes, so when it comes to a palette, I'm really excited because I don't have any of this. Shall we open it? Wait, hold on. I'm holding it the wrong way. Oh my goodness. I love his packaging. Look at that, you guys. That is so pretty. Okay, are you ready? I should have known. I should have known. Oh, okay. So this has more of like neutral shades in here with a couple pops of blue and a shimmer. Oh my gosh. Okay, we gotta swatch this. Oh, I'm lying. I do have one of his palettes. I have the Facelift palette, I think. I think that's the one I have. Do you guys see that? Do you see that silver shimmer shade right there? That is amazing. So that is everything that I got in my mystery boxes. Overall, this gets a thumbs up. I love all of the products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!